This one is a very common problem in the flare, starting like this, and then kind of not being able to lift up the right leg if you spin clockwise. How to solve it? After mastering the first two exercises, the first one is this one, and going back, and the second one is this one, from here, sliding and going back. First way, you can try to mix these two exercises very slowly to try to make one full flare. How to mix them? I'm gonna show you slowly. You start the flare, you slide forward, you stop here. From here, you use your core strength and your shoulder strength to push up. You do kind of like a L-sit a little bit. You change your legs, you slide, and you try to finish the flare in this way. One more time. Slide, change your leg, slide again, and turn and finish the flare. This is the first way to do it, and it relies mainly on the strength. When you're able to do it slowly and you feel comfortable, try to increase the speed gradually over time. Second way to fix this mistake is to make the flare smaller. This second way relies less on strength and more just on body control and coordination. You start in a flare position, but already don't start too wide. Try to start a little smaller like this. You just try to make a very small flare, so don't try to push too wide around, but try to make it small. And in this way, it's gonna be easier to control. I'm gonna show you an example. From here, very small. It's easier like to lift up my leg. Even if I bend my legs, I am still able to lift it up pretty easily. So look at the right leg. As you can see, I bend it like this, but it's easier to control. Instead, if I try to make it straight and too wide and I'm like this, it's way harder to control. One more time. Up. So the goal should be like, kind of like arriving in this position, and then just try to force the round to continue. One more time, both ways. First way, based mostly on strength. This one, wide, change, slide, and finish. Second way, smaller. In this second way, you can bend your legs even more, actually. You can do it very small. Kind of like this, almost. The more you bend your legs and the smaller you are, the easier it will be to lift up your legs and to control them. Try both ways, and then decide which one to practice the most. How to make the second way better, because at first it looks maybe pretty ugly, but once you master the first round in a small way, you can just gradually try to make it faster and spreading your legs more. But try to do it gradually. So when you learn it so small, don't immediately try to do a big flare then, but try to gradually make it wider. I'm gonna show you like an example on how to evolve it. Something like this. Then you make it just a little bit wider and bigger, something like this. And then you try to make it even bigger, so like this. And gradually more and more and more.